Alright guys, this is gonna be my pizza oven that I'm building here for the kitchen, the outdoor kitchen. So this is my mold I'm gonna use here. It was actually higher, bigger, so I cut it. I take out one layer out, one of these layers out from it, because it was actually is gonna be about 3 feet 36 inches high, which was too high for this, too big for this shed here for the outdoor kitchen. So I'll show you guys the procedure. We can bake, we can do some stew in there, we can bake bread, pizza, cook in here, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna do some concrete work here now. I have to put in some more framing in here and some 4x4 in here too, and over here I'm gonna be cementing throughout in here. I'll put some rebars in here in this area. So this is a pretty big pizza oven. So that's usually be the standard size, but this is too small for me. This is the platform, 5.5 feet, 4.5 feet. Big. It's 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet. I'll put some rebars in here and start cementing. I'll be back. Hey guys, I got cement poured here already. All the corners are installed. Looks neat and nice. I gotta sand it down, and then put another coat on top. I did the 20-40 mix here for patios, decks, things like this here. So this will be dry in the next hour. I'll take out all these corners here. I'll show you guys the finished product in a little bit.
Okay guys, we're making for our outdoor kitchen, right? Outdoor kitchen, still in the making. We're making a pizza oven, which you can also make bread, cakes, you can do whatever. So Vishal is plastering it with some type of something.
Mud and hay.
Mud and hay, yeah. Okay.
There's lots of ways you can do it, but this is a special mud. It's kind of bauxite mud.
Bauxite, okay.
Yeah, it's fire resistant, fire rated, I guess.
Okay, that whole thing is going to be placed on this concrete foundation.
It will sit over there.
Right, it's going to be sitting over here as part of the kitchen.
And
so
this is one procedure. Now we're going to wrap it with a blanket and then with chicken wire, and then another coat of this, one more layer of this here on top of it, and then polish it up and then put it on top there.
yeah,
you can't use regular cement. It's not good for your food. And it's the same old procedure how we make fireside back home. Something similar to that, but I'm using a kind of sandy, fire-rated sand kind of blend up. It have its own recipe.
yeah. And part of our kitchen, here's our pit boss, bossy pit boss grill. See, still gotta clean it up. We do a lot of grilling. Here we can cook. That's the joint right there, pit boss. It's a smoker. Put the pellets in there, and so on. So it's gonna be part of this outdoor kitchen. Hey, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is pizza oven. This is one coat of mud I put on there. Mud and straw. Special recipe of mud mixed with straw. That's my chimney on top there. I think a big size of pizza can fit in here, or a big pot can fit in here. Cook some stew in here also. Meat, fish, whatever. I'll put on the chicken wire and a fire rated blanket. So this is the chicken wire I'm going to use, and some insulation, fire insulation blanket, and then another coat of mud on there. Looking good so far. It's already weighed about 250 pounds right here, and I have to get it on top here. We'll figure that out. Looks pretty good so far. Alright guys, so still making the pizza oven here. So now the second coat I'm putting on with the mesh here. So I got my straw in here. I'm gonna start mixing another set here for the oven on the top and the back and the front. Got to get done. That's my fire clay in here, my straw, and this is my mesh that I'm putting in, chicken wire. So this is gonna be another half a bag of cob I'm gonna mix here. It cracked up pretty good. It was sitting down on a week on the concrete over there, which you guys see. So it's been 1 week or more than a week, I think. You can see there's chicken wire in here. I gotta put chicken wire on the top here. So this whole corner here is finished up, and it did had some pretty huge crack, which is good. I'm glad that I let it dry and cracked up as much as it can, so I can fill it in. So this corner here is all chicken wire is done there. This here I gotta do over here, the top and in the front. And I put it on this block here. I gotta put in some fire clay in here also. So like I was saying on Facebook there, this is just like the guy on the fireside, but it's a little bit more complex. It does not look that it looks that easy, but it's not that simple. It's a lot of process you got to go through and make sure you got it right. You can bake bread in here, pizza, you can cook some stew, you can cook in here whatever you want, all kinds of stuff. That's where my chimney is going to be. As you can see, the expansion, how much expansion it had there. Had a lot of expansion, and it's not wrong as yet. You can see this corner here. I gotta do a lot more plastering. Now I'm gonna put on, when this dry, I'll put on my blanket, the fire blanket on. And in here, I'll put in my fire clay in here. That's my mold in here. I'll take that out, plaster the inside also. Can't wait for it to done in another couple weeks more. Kitchen's still in process, not done as yet. The garden is coming along pretty good, not too bad. I got some peppers, some tomatoes over there, some eggplants, some bora, okra, eggplants, lots more pak choy, spinach. Alright guys, so I got the second coat on here. I take off that plastic in here. And yeah, I got this big boy here helping me out. Okay, nope. And of course Coco is around too. It's been a few hours. You can see it's still cracking a little bit here and there. Still not dry, it's wet. This is gonna take another week or two, depends. I gotta put a fire blanket over it, and then another coat of recipe mud clay, and then I'll plaster it. So when I'm done, I probably is gonna come out all the way out here, not a 4-inch. So right now that's, I think, 2 and 2/4 inch in there, so you can hold that heat pretty good. Come on out of there, boy. So my kitchen is still not finished. Didn't have the time to work on it. Maybe this weekend I'll do some stuff, start putting in some, start framing up these cabinets and stuff like that. This is an outdoor kitchen. We're not buying any cabinets. I'll do my own cabinet here. Outdoor cabinets. And this is my chimney gonna be here. I'll take this out and put some black pipe, like that black pipe there. That's the fireplace in there, in the garage, a wood burning stove. So this is not gas, this is heavy duty black steel wood burning pipes going all the way up. So I'll put a small chimney here, about this high probably, and I have to get some bricks in here, some fire bricks in here too. It's a pretty big oven, as you can see in here. It's huge. It's it looks small, but it's 4 feet in there, 4 feet in diameter. I like the way it's coming out.